we make world-class sports nutrition knowledge available for everyone around the world. Top speakers from all continents will discuss the latest in sports nutrition science in an online virtual conference. Good morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are in the world. My name is Oscar Jurgenup. I'm a professor of sports science at Loughborough University in the UK. Welcome to WE. WE stands for the world together, from west to east. You can learn from the best, discuss with the best. You can connect with others with a similar interest in sports nutrition. Whether you are a seasoned sports nutrition professional, a dietitian, a nutritionist, a scientist, or a student, or maybe a coach or an athlete who wants to learn more for personal gains. This conference is for you.